In this video, I'll show you how you can get the ghoul pet in Hypixel Skyblock. So the ghoul pet is kinda hard to obtain. Well, it's not hard, but it's definitely a grind. But the ghoul pet is a combat pet in Hypixel Skyblock and can currently either be obtained in epic or legendary rarity. But I'll talk to you about that later in this video. So there's two official ways to achieve the ghoul pet. The first way is go into the auction house here and buy it straight from there. I'll just quickly show you how much it is worth today. Just go in and click on auction agent and just search for it. As you can see, I already wrote in ghoul, and then you can just go into the tools and mints. And as you can see, a level 1 epic ghoul pet costs around 40,000 coins. So the second way for you to grind for it is also the only way an Iron Man profile can obtain the ghoul pet. But how do you actually grind for it? The first thing you need to do is go over to the graveyard at spawn and go into the crypt mine. I can just quickly show you. It's over here. If you go this way, and as you can see, it's right over there. And just go down up there. And in here you need to slay crypt ghouls. And after killing them, there's a slight chance that the ghoul pet will drop from either of those crypt ghouls. So what are the chances for you to get this item to drop? So the drop chances for the epic ghoul pet is 1 out of 25,000, and the legendary pet is 1 out of 100,000 crypt ghouls. You'll need to keep in mind that these numbers are only if you don't have any magical find or pet luck on your character. If you have that, the chances will slightly decrease. But this is basically how you can get the ghoul pet in Hypixel Skyblock. If you have any questions about it, please leave them down in the comment section below, and I'll try my best to answer them as quickly as possible. See ya!